Hello, welcome to another gripping episode of Sharpey's Workshop. I want to get this place organised. It's a bit of a dump at the minute, so I'm trying to get things sorted. So I'm going to sort out some screw storage. So this is what I've come up with. So I started looking at milk bottles. If you start messing about with milk bottles, make sure you wash them out first. Most of the screws I buy, I'm sure you're the same, they come in cardboard boxes. I just want to see if milk bottles are going to be strong enough to hold the weight. Once I figured out they could take the weight, it were happy days. So I did a quick scribble, and my mate gave me a load of MDF where he'd ripped out of a new house he'd got. So I just ripped all that down on the table saw. The top and bottom pieces of the cupboard I was just going to screw and butt joint, but the three shelves in between I wanted to put a rebate in it, so I did that on the chop saw. Because these boards are painted, it's a lot easier to use a spade bit for scribing. Me being a bit of a muppet, I got a curve edge on back at rebate, so on the next side I put a packer in the back of the chop saw, so I got a full sweep. So I slotted my pieces in just to make sure they fitted alright, and then I drilled and screwed the top and bottom on. So once I built my frame, I measured up in between the rebates for the shelves, and then just slotted them in, and I just put one screw in each shelf on each side. I don't know what happened to this joint, but obviously that bit's going to the back. To try and stop the shelves from sagging, I'm going to put these braces along. I've fetched all old paint off so I can glue and brad them across there. For a bit of added strength, I'm going to cut some notches out, some packers, pop them in there, just out centre. And then I had a rummage through my hinges drawer, see if I could find 4 that matched. To cut the recess for the hinges, I find it easier just to use a power file. And then I give the shelves a lick of paint. I wanted to use some 12mm plywood for the doors, and the only piece I got was like a banana. I managed to get one flat door out on it. As for the other one, I made a makeshift jig and put some weight on it and left it overnight to see if it will square it up a bit. It did straighten it up a little bit, but then I figured beggars can't be choosers, it's only for the workshop. So then I cut the hinges out for the door and slapped some paint on it. I fitted the hinges to the door with some 1/4" screws and then used a brad awl to mark up the frame for screwing the hinges to the frame. I'm not that keen on working with MDF, but I've always found it best to pre-drill everything with this stuff. And then I'd look through my handles drawer. Yep, I've got a drawer for everything. I find the easiest way to mount used handles like this is to make a template out of masking tape. Because there's going to be a lot of weight in this cabinet, I decided to use some metal shelving brackets, just a standard type that you get from such as B&Q, etc., to sit the unit on, and then using the strengthening beams I put across the shelves just to pin it back to the wall. So then I got the smelly job of cutting into all the milk bottles. Make sure you rinse these out if you do this, because it don't half stink. To give me something to write on, I just wrapped some masking tape around the top, just so I could write the size of the screws on. That's it, finally sorted my screw collection out. Oh, there is just one more thing. Well, it had to be done. You could dream, can't you? See you next time.